The family is said to be the pillar of human society. What will happen if we change in a fundamental way how organs are made? A highly controversial effort is underway to produce organs by cloning. If it works, we're going to ultimately start diverging from the standard natural organ to the genetically enhanced organ. At breathtaking speed, cloning is a very difficult topic that has been in the mind of everyone in some time of their life, and that can be the key to cure hundreds of sicknesses. Should cloning be legal? To understand any aspects of controversy, the situation on this topic must be clear and easy to understand. The status of cloning nowadays depends on what each person thinks and believes. Most people think that cloning is a crime against nature or God because having the thought of cloning the whole body resembles the person that gave its genotype. But cloning does not reach the need of cloning an entire body, but only creating damaged tissue. The Medical Daily reports cloning is also an important practice in other facets of science, although not to the same degree as reproductive cloning. For example, therapeutic cloning, that is cloning of embryonic stem cells for testing, is a regular practice with the goal of creating not a whole being but rather replacing damaged tissue. This new science has evolved well since 1996 and has successfully clinical trials have been performed in patients suffering from Parkinson's disease, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, acute lymphocytic leukemia, multiple myeloma, and hemophilia. Additionally, the prevailing gene therapy methods evolved recombinant viruses, but non-viral methods have become increasingly successful. Is cloning for medical advancements morally justified? Most diseases nowadays are genetical, which means that everyone can have the kind of illness because either one or both parents has the illness and cannot do anything to get rid of it. Most doctors think that therapeutic cloning is actually what they need in order to find a cure for most of diseases that are genetical or not. Human Cloning and Human Rights commentary uses a statement, the UDHGRHR says that the objective of genetic research is to improve the health of individuals and humankind as a whole. Health disparities between haves and have-not are already evident globally, and the fear is that benefits from genomic revolution will exacerbate inequities of health care between developing and developed countries. Using therapeutic cloning can open many doors that have been closed to find the cure of many diseases like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's.
Un clon sí podría, a mi punto de vista, sí puede ser considerado un humano, porque al final un clon de una persona se hizo, ¿cierto? Y al final va a tener todas las características físicas de una persona. Sí, definitivamente sí. Yo creo que la tecnología es perfectamente aplicable al ser humano. Y de hecho esta universidad está haciendo pruebas con 3D, no precisamente para órganos, pero eventualmente se podría utilizar. Entonces yo creo que sí es una situación que es viable y yo sí podría usar así. Es una pregunta muy complicada porque entra en temas de debate éticos y religiosos y hasta científicos. Y no es una pregunta sencilla y no es una pregunta que yo le pudiera contestar sí o no, porque todo tiene las dos posturas, el sí y el no, tienen argumentos. Entonces no es tan sencilla la pregunta de contestar, entonces preferiría dejarla sin contestar.
Okay.